Welcome back to another episode here on your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Lee Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to talk about how you can actually organize your tasks that you have just entered into your inbox into subtasks of a main task. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's say, for instance, I jotted down what I want for my main project, whatever that name is, and then I have a sub-project under that, and then maybe a subtask. Well, I can drag these to be actually subtasks of each of the areas. So now I have this main task here, the subtask, and the sub-project, and then of course the subtask. And if you notice, when I click on the main project here, over here I have the sub-project, which I can also create a date for if I want. And then I have the subtask, which I can also create a date for as well. So how did I do that again? Well, let's go through it again. So if I just take this off, and let's say, for instance, I'm just going to go ahead and delete that real quick. So let's say I know what the main project is going to be. Maybe it's renovate house, right? Well, maybe I have a sub area that's renovate bathroom, right? Maybe I have renovate basement. Okay, and then I can go ahead, now that I got that, and go ahead and put those underneath the renovate house, right? Just by dragging on it and selecting where I want it to go. Just like that, okay? And then if I want to create a task underneath it, let's say for under bathroom, right? I can just go change bathtub, right? But if you notice, it's still under here, so it's still actually associated with the renovate house, but I can just move that over like that. You see how that gray icon changed to being indented? And now it's associated with that bathroom. Let's say I don't want to just delete that, but I wanted to attach to that basement. Well, maybe I want to change the flooring in basement, right? So now I can just drag that up here just like that. And it's really easy to kind of have this all organized under the main project. Also, another thing I like to do on my projects, just an FYI, is I do like to enter a little bracket, and I'll put project, just so I know to differentiate that when I see it, if I had a date associated with it, right? Like, for instance, anything that's got multiple things to it, I'll put project. Now, this is a sub-project, but I still call it just project. I don't have to go that deep in putting it as a sub-project, because I'll notice it once I click on it. And how will I notice it? Well, simple. When you are on a main project, you see how it says renovate house right here, project. But when you click on the sub-project, you'll see that this sub-project right here is associated with the main project right here. So it's highlighted, so you can always go back to it if you need to by just clicking on it. Same goes for any of the tasks. The task that's associated under this mini sub-project goes here. If I click on that, then I go to the main or the actual sub-project. And then if I click on here, I go to the main project. So that's how you can actually take care of projects and other things that have multiple tasks underneath it. So I do hope this was helpful for y'all. And if it was, like always, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.